Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I have in my pantry, fridge and freezer when I'm doing a vegetarian keto diet. So I have done this diet before and I have got really good results, so I want to do it again to lose weight. So before going into the video, I just want to let you know that I have made a free printable for you and it has all the list of foods that you can eat in a vegetarian keto diet. The link will be in the description box below, so please do check it out. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give a big thumbs up, and let's begin the video. So I have a big jar of almond flour, some nutritional yeast and chia seeds, and also sesame seeds and coconut oil, and of course you cannot miss the peanuts. Many people say that peanuts are not keto, but you can eat them in moderation in my opinion. So if you are doing keto diet, spices are the most important thing because they amp up the taste of the dish like anything. So for example, I have this salsa and pico seasoning and it has zero carbs and it's great on any salad or even in homemade salsa. And I have a recipe on my blog for an avocado pine nut salad and I use this seasoning for that. And I have low salt. This is great for your potassium intake. So you can use this salt occasionally to get those potassium because you lose lot of electrolytes in keto diet. So I have so many other spices, and this one is pico fruta. This is a fruit salt and this has only one net carb. So here I have my oils. So I have olive oil. This is toasted sesame oil which I got from Costco, and again more sesame oil and canola oil. I also have my ghee here which I am running out, so I have to make again. So here I have my nuts. I have almonds, sliced almonds and cashews, and I also have sugar free peanut butter. So I'm in my pantry here. I have coconut flour, pickled jalapenos and also pink Himalayan salt, packet of chia seeds. I have 2 packs of hemp seeds and a pack of pistachios. I have erythritol and some baking cocoa, cacao powder and psyllium husk, and I have got lot of spices, some cans of coconut milk. I have 100% unsweetened chocolate bar and some Lily's stevia sweetened dark chocolate chips. I have green chili sauce and it has only 1 net carb, even less than 1 net carb. And I have sriracha hot sauce and it has only 1 net carb. So these are all the things I have in my pantry. So I have some avocados here. So let's see what I have in the fridge. So let's start from here. So these are some tofu noodles I got from the store. These are low in carbs. So if I make a recipe with it, I'll post it for you. I have some cream cheese and I have some sugar-free ketchup, some rice vinegar, soy sauce, and then on this side I have some butter. I have some Dijon mustard, some pumpkin seeds, heavy whipping cream, and some lemon juice in the back which I rarely use. And I have some pine nuts and some half and half which I use for my keto tea, and I have a recipe for keto tea on my channel. Do check it out if you are interested. And that's it on this side. In the top shelf I have 4 packs of paneer, some sour cream, and as you can see there is only 1 net gram of carbohydrate for 2 tablespoons. I have some limes, and this is a type of Mexican cheese, and I have some spinach, and I have got some string cheese for my snacking, and then behind I have some walnuts and some golden flaxseed, and here I have a head of romaine lettuce for my salads, and I have some avocado mayonnaise, and of course some Topo Chico whenever I feel like drinking some soda. So let's see the produce. Here I have some okra, cilantro in the back. Here I have eggplants, cauliflower, radishes and cabbage. Here I have some sugar snap peas and onion. Let's see here. So here I have tomatoes, ginger, radish and squash or bottle gourd, which I need to use up very fast. And I have a zucchini, and these are 2 cucumbers and some long eggplants and bell peppers. And I also have a beetroot, which I'm going to use in small amounts. So in the freezer I have some mozzarella cheese, grated Brussels sprouts, broccoli, paneer, and also some cheddar cheese in the back, and also some cauliflower there. In the freezer I have some tindora, some sticks of butter, and the 3-berry blend from Costco, and I also have some green peas in the back. So these are the things I have in the freezer. So on keto diet I also take multivitamins every day. So this is the brand I love. It's called Ritual. It's made of all natural products. It's vegan. It doesn't have any gelatin as well, and it doesn't have any added sugars as such. So this is the brand I love. I have been using from past 2 months, as you can see, and this is not sponsored in any way. I bought the multivitamins with my own money. I just want to share this with you because in the market it's difficult to find multivitamins, especially without gelatin. Since I'm a vegetarian and I don't eat gelatin, this is very important for me, and I just want to share that with you. And I'll also put a link in the description box below if you want to check out these multivitamins. And coming next is protein powder. I got this protein powder from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. It has only less than 1 gram of sugar per serving, and it's in the flavor vanilla, and its brand is Quest. So it's also soy free, gluten free, and whenever you're buying a protein powder, just check the nutrition label and make sure there are no added sugars. And also, as you can see, this is sweetened by stevia, sucralose. So just want to show you the protein powder which I have. This is great, and it has a really good taste. So if you want, you can check it out from the link in the description box. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family who are starting keto diet. And also don't forget to check out the free printable, which will be in the description box below. And I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.